I just wanted to share with you guys another unboxing of my Boho Berry Box subscription. I've been a subscriber since Kara launched this last November, December, and I absolutely love it. If you enjoy journaling, if you enjoy pens and beautiful stickers, this is definitely a box for you. At the end of the video, I will post a link so that you guys can get a box of your own or give it to somebody you love. But let's go ahead and jump in and see what goodies I got this month. So first up, we have a beautiful vellum envelope. Inside is the postcard that Kara sends every month. It gives us an idea of all of the items that are in the box, all the goodies, and on one side we have items that are available to anybody, and then on the right hand side we have our members only items. These are items that are only available for people who subscribe to the box, and it's one of the nice little treats. Kara always sends 3 to 4 items that are exclusively for members. The theme for this month is Attitude of Gratitude. With Thanksgiving just around the corner, November is a great time to reflect on what we're grateful for. This box is filled to the brim with items to help you make time for gratitude in your life this month. I absolutely love that theme. I'm going to set this off to the side so I can use it as a reference. So, first up is a Boho Berry mandala stencil. Now this is one of the members exclusives, and it's really, really pretty. This is a little bit smaller than A5, which is perfect because I'll be able to take it with me while I'm working in my journal this month. Next up, we have some of our stickers. This is the Boho Berry November sticker sampler. It is available on the Boho Berry Papery Etsy, so definitely check that out. We've got some banners, some habit tracker stickers, as well as to-do lists. This is another one of our exclusives. It's the mini gratitude trackers. We've got one nice big sticker up top, and then it looks like we've got 6 individual weekly stickers where you can put like 1 or 2 words that you're grateful for each day. Next up is the full page gratitude log. Now this has dates 1 through 30. It's not specifically November, so you could use this a different month, but it allows you to write a sentence or 2 about what you're grateful for each day. And last up for stickers, we have our November tracker. This is another one of the items that you can get from the Boho Berry Papery. And it's kind of her basic setup, space to write your habits, days and dates of the week, and at the bottom we've got our double line mood tracker. Now, I don't use these every month, but I do like incorporating them into my journal. It's just kind of a good base to get going. All right, let's get into the non-sticker related goodies. First up, we have 2 Sakura Jelly Roll pens. I absolutely love these pens. They always remind me of middle school and good friends and passing notes and all of those warm, squishy feels. It looks like we have one in Moonlight, the purple, so it's gonna have a little bit of a shimmer to it, and then the white is just white. Overall, it looks like we have a purple and white theme going on, which I'm really okay with. If you like purple, this was the month to get a Boho Berry Box. Next up is the Platinum Preppy Fountain Pen in purple. This is thanks to the folks over at Goulet Pen Co. I will also link to them at the end of this video. They are wonderful. Now, these pens come with a matching cartridge, so purple pen, purple cartridge to get you started. It's a nice, inexpensive way to start getting into fountain pens. I love the fact I can just toss this in my bag and I don't have to feel bad about it. It writes really, really smooth. Definitely a great way to start out. All right, next up we have another one of our member exclusives, which means if you weren't already subscribed, you're not going to be able to get your hands on this. But it is the Boho Berry Mandala Notepad. I love this style of notepad. It's decorative. It's not just your like typical yellowish sticky note. This is a lavender with a white design, which I like because I won't lose my writing in the pattern itself, which can happen sometimes. Last up, we have a purple sand desk timer. So let's pull this out. Ooh, this is really nice. So this is a cube sand timer. It's got this really lovely kind of light purple sand inside of it, and it will make an excellent addition to my desk area. Really like this. There you have it, this month's unboxing of my Boho Berry subscription box. If you want to grab a box of your own or give one to a loved one, I will put a link in the description to the video. If you like this and you want to see more or you want to see another topic, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Have a wonderful day. Bye.